everybody and welcome back to JCV Healthy Lifestyle channel. A new week has just started and I have got a few important news to give you. First news of the day, this morning I managed to run for the first time in my life 18 minutes. 18 minutes no stop, guys. Now I know for many of you probably it's nothing, 18-20 minutes, nothing. You are used to do it every day, okay, it's fine. To me, is an important goal because when I started to run a few weeks ago, at the beginning I wasn't able to even run for 1 minute or two. So yes, today I made it and I want to keep doing like this because I want to achieve my goal, which was from the beginning, I want to be able to run 30 minutes no stop. And because today, for the first time in my life, I was feeling, while I was running, I was feeling like free. I was feeling so powerful and my body was not hurting like usual. Today is Monday and like so many other Mondays before, I'm going to try a different diet for this week. Why? Well, the reason is because I am a kind of person who doesn't like to eat every day the same things. I got bored very easily of the same meal. And because I want to start to enjoy the food. Going back where I was a few weeks ago, actually it's a month ago. Going back where I was a few weeks ago, this is week number 6 and this is the diet I'm gonna try this week. The Mediterranean diet. As an example for this diet, I'm gonna use one diet that has been written by a dietitian for me a few years ago when I started, and then I stopped it like every time. And you will see in this diet all the kind of food that I like and I eat every day. Mediterranean diet is well known as the perfect diet, and not just in terms of quality of food and mainly fruit and vegetables, but also the way it has been cooked, the food. I'll give you just an example. For example, in the Mediterranean diet you can't eat fried food or takeaway or fast food or rubbish. You can't eat heavy creams or dressings for your meal, but you have to use just pure olive oil, lemon, vinegar and all the herbs you want. This diet is good for everybody, and I mean it. It's good for the laziest person in the world, to the athlete, and then to people with minor, they're doing minor activity during the day, and people they're doing major activity, workout during the day, and even for people working mainly in the office, well in this case working from home. From now on I'm not expecting to lose too much weight very soon because just this morning I was talking with my personal trainer in the gym and together we established a kind of workout where I will do mainly cardio, of course for losing weight, but also different exercises including weights, including abs, etc., just to wake up the muscles in my body. We have to say that sometimes there are people that are very good in the gym, doing activity almost every day, very hard workout, and then even they're very constant, even with the diet, very strict diet. But these people, they know losing weight very easily. The scale doesn't go down, the number's still always there. We have to consider also the kind of workout we're doing. And even if that number doesn't go down, maybe your shape, your figure, or your body, your well-being, it is really changing. Good evening everybody, I just had the shower post-work. Today I had a very intensive long day and now I'm having my dinner. I just made for tonight a sandwich with cheddar cheese and smoked salmon. That's good. It's not a kind of healthy Mediterranean dinner, but I challenge everybody to go and cook something nice after a very long day.
For the record. Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
Good morning, everybody. This morning I've got very bad luck because yesterday I was sick all day. I don't know what's happened. I spent all day yesterday no eating at all, nothing. I think I've eaten something that maybe upset my stomach. I have no idea. I know that yesterday morning I had some breakfast, and then I went to the gym. It was quite a good session. I was feeling okay, and then I came back from the gym and I was feeling so strange. I had some nausea, and since 1 o'clock until late in the evening I didn't manage to eat anything. I spent all day with this nausea and vomiting, and whatever I was eating or trying to drink like sips of water, nothing wouldn't stay in the stomach. So I spent all day yesterday not eating. This morning I think I'm gonna have a light breakfast and I'm gonna have day off. It's my day off. I'm gonna have a bit resting day because I'm feeling very, very, very weak. It's an amazing day in London, sunny, and I'm going out, still recovering from yesterday, but I'm feeling much, much, much better. And then everybody knows that sun is very good for health.
Wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces. We don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves. Can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. 'Cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid. We're being dumb.
Hi everybody, finally this Mediterranean week is almost over, and yes, I managed to go back with my weight as I was before the holiday in Italy. As I said, the Mediterranean diet is the easiest diet to follow because you can play basically with the food. You can make every time different dishes, different meals. The important thing to remember when you follow a Mediterranean diet is not just what you're eating, but also the way you're cooking the food, the way you are eating, and the way your body is digesting the food you just eaten. I'm quite sure that everybody knows what to eat during the Mediterranean diet, but let me just remember fruit and vegetable. These two things, guys, they need to be daily because believe me, they're so good for your health. You will feel your body like reborn. It's good for your eyes, for your skin, for your hair, for everything. And then we got, of course, fiber, which they're good for the swelling in your stomach, in your tummy. And then we got protein, of course, important for your muscles. And you can eat protein from plants if you're vegetarian, vegan, or you can eat like usual meat and fish, preferably the white meat than the red one, because the red is fatter than the white. And then fish, because contains lots of omega-3, lots of fatty acid, good fat. Now, for some people, I know it's very difficult to give up to carbohydrate, and we don't have to give up carbohydrate. We have to eat them in moderation. I'm Italian, and I can tell you, pasta, pane, pizza, the 3P, pasta, pizza, and bread, are so important for me. I can't just give up. Even if I don't eat them for a week, the week after I have to eat something contains carbohydrates, pasta, pizza, pane, whatever. About the way you cooking your food, guys, not fried food. Now, I know lots of people, they like fried, it's in their culture, or there are some kind of recipe where you have to fry the food. If you do like once, maybe twice a week, it's fine. You have to be careful the kind of oil and the temperature while you're frying the food. Otherwise, I think will be fine, just once or twice a week. Next week, guys, I'm gonna try another different diet. I'm planning everything now. I wanna just remind you the reason why I'm doing this, mainly because I wanna lose weight. That's my main goal, but also because I wanna change healthy lifestyle. Because it's difficult, believe me, it's so difficult when you go a kind of lifestyle and then you wanna change everything completely all your life. It's so difficult, so you have to go step by step. So to do this is not just like following a diet. I want to enjoy the diet. So that's why I'm trying like cooking different things, doing new experiment in the kitchen, and try also different kind of cuisine, of course, because I'm open also to try different meals from other countries. I will leave you for now, and I'll see you next week.